now we're striving for a 50% reduction by 2050. And that's ambitious, and it's going to be difficult. But we're doing good work in this region. We've talked about transit and obviously the emissions from cars on the road. More folks taking public transit helps with that.
Yeah.
We have a electric vehicle plan that we're working on. Fairfax County is applying for money from the feds, trying to figure out where their stations go. So is Alexander, so is Montgomery County, so is DC. So we've pulled the whole region together, and let's try to get a handle on how many stations we need. How are we going to power them? Where are they going to be? Are they going to be safe for people to use? And then you can use in Fairfax County that plan to then go apply for federal funds. When you get the air quality alerts in the summer, when there are the wildfires that came down from Canada, we take those air measurements and we put that out for the regions. We have a group, Bryan, that does water restoration work. So the Anacostia River is one of our biggest projects, but if you have a body of water here in Fairfax County, your supervisors were curious, hey, is it healthy? What do we need to do to restore it? We go out, we take the measurements, here's a plan of how you could bring it back to better health. So it's not just one thing, it's a variety and that's really what our members look towards. They set ambitious goals, but then they got to look to staff someone to help them meet those goals.